Bakit? Dumadating yung time, once na ma-feel nila yung abundance, bigay sila ng bigay, and then, nagkaroon sila ng time na bigla silang naubos.
The giving that they have is what we call careless giving. Ibig sabihin, specifically sa Filipino, meron tayong tawag na sandwich generation. You take care of your own family and you take care of the people, maybe your parents. So, naubos ka talaga. Which means, para sa akin, yung giving is, number one, has to be systematized. The best giving that I would really suggest to you is tithing. That means 10% of how much you earn, it has to flow out every month or every week. It has to be consistently because that's the flow. Number two, specifically, saan ka nabibigay kasi nauubos ka? Unang-una, pamilya. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, yun bang pagbibigay mo sa pamilya mo na able nakakatulong sila na gumanda ang buhay nila, or pag wala ka na, dependent sila sa iyo? So which means your way of giving is just for you to look good. Mabait yan sa Eman. Grabe yan. Napaka-generous. Bibigay lahat buong-buo kahit said na. Parang mali. Kaya hindi ako nauubusan kasi nga, inuuna ko yung sarili ko eh. No, selfish man ko selfish, pero you cannot give what you don't have. 'Di ba? So, paano ako makapagbigay ng pagmamahal kung hindi ko inuna yung sarili ko? Kung nasaid na ako, naubos na ako. So, which means, it has to be very systematized in a way when you give. It must be, number one, you give because it's empowering. A lot of us, we give because we want them to be spoiled and then they become brats. Number two, when you give, it has to be not really things na mawawala. But ako, especially with people who I love, I give growth. I give experience. And I teach them the principle. Because sabi nga, diba, do not give a man a fish. Teach them how to fish. Na kung ay lamang isda, buhay nila yun, hayaan mo sila. Huwag mong pakialaman yung buhay nila. Let it be. Na kung talagang walang-wala, sagad na sagad, boundary. Hindi tayo marunong mag-boundary eh. Kailangan matuto tayo mag-boundary. Hindi masamang tumulong, pero kung tutulong ka dahil said ka na, ubus ka na, dahil wala sila ibang aasahan ikaw, dyan ka talaga maubos.